Hello my little kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Okay, now let me introduce myself. I am your teacher Indira ma'am. Okay, today we are going to learn English subject. Okay, today we are going to learn English subject. Okay, so today we are going to learn A to D. We are going to identify the letters. Okay, we are going to identify letter A to D with the help of pictures. Okay, with the help of pictures. Okay, we'll introduction letters A to D with the help of picture. Okay, now see, I'm going to show you. Okay, now tell me which picture is this? Which picture is this? This is an apple. See, this is apple. Okay, what is this? This is an apple. See, we are having one more small apple. This is small apple, big apple. Now I am going to show you the letter. Okay, now I am going to show you the letter. Okay, now see here. Slanting line, and slipping line. Okay, tell me now which letter is this? This is A. Which letter is this? This is A. Which letter is this? This is A. A for apple. A for apple. Okay, see? Okay, now next come. Now tell me which letter is this? Which letter is this? This is B. Which letter is this? This is B. Standing line and half curve and one more half curve. Okay, this is B. Which letter is this? This is B. B for, what is this? B for ball. What is this? B for ball. Okay, now see here also we are having small ball. B for ball. B for ball. Which letter is this? This is A. Which letter is this? This is A. A for apple. See. A for apple. Which letter is this? This is A. Which letter is this? This is A. A for apple. A for apple. Now, which letter is this? This is B. Which letter is this? This is B. Which letter is this? This is B. B for ball. What is this? B for ball. Okay, now let's make a next letter. Okay. This is half curve. Which letter is this? This is C. Which letter is this? This is C. C. A, B and C. C. Do you know what stands for C? C for cat. C for cat. Meow. C for cat. Meow. C. C for cat. C for cat. See, now A for apple. See, A for, this is apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. And this is, which letter is this? This is C. C for cat. Meow. C for cat. Meow. Okay, now here come up next letter. C. Which letter is this? Standing line and heart curve. This is D. Which letter is this? This is D. Okay, D for dog. Woo-woo. D for dog. Woo-woo. D for dog. Woo-woo. D for dog. Woo-woo. And D for doll also. D for doll. D for doll. D for dog. D for dog. See. Now let's identify the letter. Okay. See, which letter is this? This is A. Which letter is this? This is A. Which letter is this? This is A. And which letter is this? This is B. Which letter is this? This is B. And which letter is this? This is C. Which letter is this? This is C. And which letter is this? This is D. Which letter is this? This is D. See? A for apple. A for apple. A for apple. And now which letter is this? This is B. Which letter is this? This is B. B for ball. What is this? This is ball. Which letter is this? B. B for ball. Okay, this is ball. A for apple. A for apple. And this is B. Which letter is this? This is B. B for ball. This is ball. Now, which letter is this? This is C. Which letter is this? This is C. C for cat. What is this? This is cat. Meow. Sound of cat. Meow. So, C for cat. C for cat. And this is, which letter is this? This is D. Which letter is this? This is D. D for dog. Whoa. This is dog. D for dog. Whoa. And D for doll also. D for doll also. Okay. So please do revise this at home. Okay. Thank you.